start. Hello everyone and welcome back. We are in Manchester Airport on our way to Luxembourg. We're heading to the capital city, which is Luxembourg City. We're flying with Luxair for the first time, the national airline of Luxembourg. So we're going to get on that flight, get to our airport, and then we've got an evening meal booked tonight, and we'll get our first impressions of Luxembourg. And you guys are coming with us. So next stop, boarding. Right, come on. The cost of this flight, I booked it with trip.com. Bus number 29. That's going to take us to Central Station. Lisa got the sausage with mustard. So we've just had 2 all-day brunches. That was £38. I think that was called like Bar Manchester or something like that. We're going to grab a water now and make our way to Gate 6 to catch our flight. It's only a very small plane, propeller plane. It's just like 2 and 2 seats. So looking forward to that. Right, let's get water and get to our gate, and then we'll see you guys when we get on the plane. Right, making our way now to the plane. We've got to leave Lisa's bag at the bottom of the steps on the plane because they say the lack of space. So they're going to put that under and it'll be ready for us to collect when we get out. We don't really like doing that, but we'll have to take the laptop out of it. And then that's going underneath. So the cost of this flight, I booked it with trip.com. It was the flight and hotel package. It was £609. If you'd like to use Trip and support us, we've got an affiliate link, so check it out in the description. And if you'd like to support our channel, then get something booked through trip.com. We would recommend them anyway. Right, we're going to sort our baggage out and jump on the plane. We'll see you guys when we're on the plane. It's tiny, isn't it? So we understand now why Lisa had to leave baggage, because there's not a lot of space in there. So that's understandable. I mean, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm really touching the roof here. It's tiny, isn't it? Okay.
Yeah.
Going to do your wiping?
Yeah. Yeah, Elliot.
Get on. Yeah, Elliot. Going to do our wiping, Elliot. Right, so yeah, this is a very small plane. It's just a 2 and 2. Luxair is the airline. In terms of leg room, you know, it's not too bad. It's fine, really.
It's fine.
Yeah, quite happy with that.
Actually, I might. I'll just take my walk.
Not been too bad, is it?
No.
Experience has been fine, clean enough. It's just very small. Right.
Yeah, thank you.
Chicken sandwich. Doesn't look that great inside, to be honest with you. Looks like a crap.
Better than nothing, though.
Better than nothing.
For an hour and a half flight, you don't get that on Ryanair, do you?
No, we'll try that in a minute.
I'm alright,
Cheers.
thank you.
So I've got a beer as well. Never heard of that brand.
That's what I've been living on for the last 3 months.
At least I've got a wine. Someone's farted. Stinks.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, bye.
Bye.
Right, and we've made it to Luxembourg City. So it's £609. That includes our flight and hotel. So I can't remember how much the flight alone was. On a small little propeller plane there with Luxair. So it looks like we're going to board this bus and make our way to the terminal. So we've only got carry-on, so we don't need to go and collect any baggage or anything. Just making our way through the airport now. Fingers crossed this isn't going to be long, and then we're going to be jumping a bus into the city centre. Border control. Okay, we have just got through border control. That was about 1 minute. As good as that can be. And now we're going to head out now, catch this bus into the city centre. You guys are going to come with us. Let's go. Right guys, we made it to the bus. So it's just outside the terminal. Bus number 29. That's going to take us to Central Station. It looks like the hotel we're staying in is right next to Central Station. The interesting thing here in Luxembourg, it's the first ever country to supply free public transport. So to catch this bus or the tram or anything like that is free. Obviously you'd have to pay for taxis, but public buses and stuff's free. It's interesting and cost effective. We hope you're enjoying the video. Please make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any comments to make or any questions you want to ask, please drop them in the comment section. Thank you. Right, there you go guys, that was about a 20-minute journey from Luxembourg Airport to Central Station. Free public transport, so that was free. Quick and efficient journey really. So bus number 29 straight outside Luxembourg Airport if you're looking to make that journey yourselves. So our plan now is to make our way to our hotel. Let's get off this cycle lane. Make our way to the hotel, which is the Radisson. No, it's not. It's the Parking by Radisson in Luxembourg City Centre. It's like a 2-minute walk from Central Station, where we've just got off the bus. So it's just around here to the right. Right, we've made it to the hotel, Parking by Radisson in the city centre. We are now going to check in.
Do we need the key?
We are number 4. We need the key.
We do. Was it doing it? Yeah.
There you go, we checked in. We're room 405. Let's get to our room and we'll show you. It's going to be nothing special, but it'll do for us for a city break. And then we'll get out and we'll see the city. Right, so we just got into our room. Like I say, it's a nice room, but it's nothing incredible like you may have seen on some of our other videos. But you know, perfect room for a city break for us. It's got everything you kind of need. Obviously, you've got your safe and your hangers and stuff.
Nice.
Looks alright. Yeah, nice shower, nice bathroom. Right, yeah, that's sound. That looks good to me. Does it look alright to you?
Yeah. You're right on the front street.
Right on the front street.
It's dead quiet anyway.
Cool. Right, so we'll just sort our bags out here for 10-15 minutes. Then we'll get out and see the city. Like I say, we have got a restaurant booked for 7:30. It's now about 4:30. So we'll get out and see the city. Look how good it's gonna look. Anyway, so yeah, we'll get out and show you guys, take you with us. Right guys, we are now going for our evening meal to the restaurant we've got booked. Can't remember what it's called, but you'll find out in a little bit. Let's head down. So it's about a 20-minute walk. So we'll head over there now and see what we're going to eat. Do you know what you're going to eat? I don't know what's on the menu. You've looked, I've not looked. So let's go. So the restaurant we're heading to is called Der Fergen. Don't know if you guys can see that. It's got good reviews. Obviously it's a local Luxembourg restaurant with Luxembourg food. So we'll enjoy some local food now. 20-minute walk, 15-20 minute walk from the park in Radisson. The streets are very quiet, aren't they?
Clean and quiet.
Clean and quiet. There's not too much traffic here either because obviously all the public transport's free. You find that there's not as many cars knocking about. But obviously there's a McDonald's because there's a McDonald's everywhere in the world, eh? The population of Luxembourg is about 700,000 people. It's only a small country. If you don't know where it's located, it's kind of in between Belgium, Germany and France. Just a landlocked country. It's actually one of the richest countries in the world, despite it being a very small country. I think that's kind of in comparison to like per capita. So for the amount of people that there are, it's a very rich country. So we're talking about it being a rich country. The average salary for someone in Luxembourg is 81,000 euros. So you're talking about £75,000. It's a reasonable salary, but again, you know, that's why the price of things here are more expensive. They've obviously, it's all relative, isn't it? If you go to a cheaper country, items are cheaper to buy, people are generally on a lower wage. But here it looks like the annual salary average 81,000 euros. So here is the residence of the Grand Duke of Luxembourg. We just stumbled across this building and it looks amazing. Look, check out how beautiful that building is. Yeah, it's amazing architecture, isn't it? It's one of the best things about traveling is just seeing the architecture in some of the cities. Yeah, that's amazing. Right guys, we've arrived at the restaurant. Lisa booked it, so she's taking the lead and getting us in there. And we're probably gonna have a glass of rosé. So we've just been seated. Looks nice in here, first impressions. We'll have a little look at this menu, get our food ordered, and then catch up with you when we've done that. Looks nice though. Okay guys, so our starter has come. We've got a couple of glasses of rosé and we got frog's legs.
I don't know how to eat them. I don't know what I'm doing.
Maybe just chop bite into it.
I can see the meat, and that's the meat. They smell good. They are nice.
Nice. Garlicky.
Very garlicky. It is just like, it is like chicken, but maybe a little bit more rubbery. But yeah, definitely like chicken. If you didn't know what it was, yeah. Nice.
First time eating frog's legs then?
Yeah.
Right, let's enjoy this. Right, we've finished those frog's legs. And very nice, weren't they? Yeah, I enjoyed them.
Yeah, delicious.
Yeah, they were very nice. So to me, it was a bit like a bit of a chicken wing, small chicken wing, a bit fragile, but a hint of fish. Enjoyable. I enjoyed that. Loads of garlic. I'm gonna mop that up with the bread now, I think. And then we're just waiting on our main meals to come. And our main meal has arrived. So there you go. Look at the size of that pork knuckle, or ham knuckle, whatever you want to call it. Some sauerkraut and some potatoes. And Lisa got the sausage with mustard. And we got a side of fries. This looks good. We'll enjoy it. We'll tell you guys what we think of it shortly. So let's dig in for now, eh?
Yeah.
Yum.
You got that already.
Smells good,
Yes,
doesn't it?
smells good.
So we've just come out of the restaurant there. That was really lovely, that. Nice experience. First time eating frog's legs. So the price of that food that you just seen us eat was £121. It's like 140 euros with a tip. We'd recommend that restaurant. It was good. Nice food,
yeah,
wasn't it?
Yeah, really nice.
The wine was nice as well, actually. We don't really drink much rosé, but we enjoyed that rosé wine. But yeah, good first day really, innit?
Yeah, really good.
So we hope you've enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave us any comments. Let us know what you think. Make sure you subscribe and like our video.
And we're on Instagram,
Facebook, TikTok. Give us a like and follow on those too. That's the only way we can grow this channel anyway. We hope you like what we're doing. We enjoy making them. And anyway, that's enough of that. Bedtime. See you guys on the next one. Bye.
Bye.